Paul McCartney recently revealed that watching his late wife and former Wings bandmate, Linda McCartney, appear in his documentary Man on the Run deeply moved him and left him feeling very emotional. At a screening of the film, which explores his journey after the Beatles and the formation of Wings, McCartney shared that the scenes featuring Linda and their children were especially touching. He said it was wonderful to revisit those family moments, though seeing Linda again stirred strong emotions. He described her as incredibly beautiful and effortlessly cool, adding that watching the two of them together now feels even more meaningful because she is no longer alive. He added that seeing their children when they were still young was just as powerful, particularly since they are now adults with children of their own. Looking at images of Linda, the kids, himself, and even John Lennon, he said it felt as though his entire life was flashing before his eyes in a stream of memories. Several of the photographs and home videos used in the documentary were taken by Linda, giving the film a deeply personal tone. McCartney admitted he had long assumed much of that footage had been lost. He recalled how break-ins were common during the 1960s and 1970s, and security was often casual, with fans sometimes entering properties and taking belongings. For years, he believed the material had disappeared for good, until members of his office team carefully searched through storage units and drawers and managed to recover everything. Paul and Linda married in March 1969 and raised 4 children together: Heather, whom Paul adopted, along with Stella, Mary, and James. In 1971, just a year after the Beatles disbanded, they formed Wings. Their 1973 album, Band on the Run, became one of the decade's best-selling records, producing hit songs such as Live and Let Die, Jet, and Silly Love Songs, before the group eventually split in 1981. Paul and Linda remained married until her death from breast cancer in 1998 at the age of 56. He later married Heather Mills in 2002, and they welcomed a daughter, Beatrice, before finalizing their divorce in 2008. In 2011, he married Nancy Chevelle, and the two have been together ever since.